We'll guide you through how to fix and enable Microsoft has blocked macros in Excel. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. I've just gone and opened up this Excel file and I'm getting this pop-up saying Microsoft has blocked macros from running. So this is super annoying as it means I can't go and fully use the file. So let's go and fix this. First of all, go to the top left of Excel and go and click on File, then go to the bottom left and click on Options. In this menu here, come over to the left and select Trust Center. Go over to the right and select Trust Center Settings. Now you want to go over to the left into Macro Settings and make sure you select Enable VBA Macros. Then go to the bottom right and click OK and press OK again. Next, you need to go and close out of Excel and go and locate the file just here. Right click on it and go and click on Properties like so. And you need to go to the bottom of General and you'll find Security and make sure you go and select Unblock. Click Apply and then press OK. And then what you can do is go and run it and that will go and fix the problem. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.